Local news for Friday the 18th of August. Touring New Zealand's stunning wineries and vineyards has become a huge drawcard for visitors, with 24% of international holiday makers making it part of their itinerary in Aotearoa. Now New Zealand Wine Growers has made it even easier for tourists to explore wineries by adding a wine tourism section to their website nzwine.com/visit, showcasing over 450 wine experiences right across New Zealand, including 51 from the Wairarapa. The new visit section of newzealandwine.com allows tourists to search wine regions using a Google Map tool or filter listings by region and 4 experience types: sip, dine, stay and play. Time is running out for people wanting to make voting easy in the 23rd of September general election. Around 450,000 eligible New Zealanders are still yet to enrol to vote, and more than half of them are under 30. Chief Electoral Officer Alicia Wright says enrol by the 23rd of August and you'll be sent an easy vote pack at the start of the voting period. It gives you everything you need to make voting easy, including your personalised Easy Vote card. The Commission is particularly encouraging young and first-time voters in particular to get enrolled by August 23rd. At least 300 are affected in Wairarapa or at least need to update their details. And in sport, tonight we'll see the first opportunity for the region to see former All Black Piri Wipu in Wairarapa Bush colours. Tonight at 7pm, the Farriers Wairarapa Bush play the Manawatu development team in their final pre-season game before the Mano 10 Heartland kicks off. 25 players are expected to take the field tonight in a rotation policy, and plenty of spots up for grabs for the Heartland opener in Wanganui next week.